Hey, Kalidas here to talk to you a little bit about upper back pain. I'm talking about up in this area here. You can include these areas too, but upper back pain in general is actually really easy to treat. Especially, you can even do a lot of the work on yourself and get these areas feeling a lot better very quickly. And you can find out a lot more about it by clicking the link and picking up a free copy of Back Pain Secrets. Just click on the link, download it, and you'll learn a lot more, and you'll be out of pain before you know it. So give it a try and let me know how it works. Thanks, and I hope you have a great day.